everybody! Welcome back to our home learning program, Class of Kindergarten 2, School of Monkey Tree, Indonesia. Everyone, today is cooking day! Yay! First, before we start our cooking project today, I want to ask you, who likes dessert? Siapa yang suka dessert? Me! Yeah, today is dessert day. And today we're going to make a frozen yogurt banana. Frozen yogurt banana. Because the title is banana, of course, we use banana as our ingredients. Main ingredients is banana. Okay? First of all, don't forget you have to wash your hands. I did. And then I will put on my gloves. Okay, ya. Here. Here. Okay. Now, I will show you the ingredients we need to make a frozen yogurt banana. The first one is, of course, a banana. And then a plain yogurt. Look, the color is white. Plain yogurt. A cereal. Okay, a cereal. And then a knife, because we need this to cut the banana. And also ice cream sticks. A plastic bag. Okay. First, let's start to smashing this cereal. Okay. I will put this cereal inside the plastic bag and we're ready to smash it. This, yeah. Oops. Do it slowly. Okay, all of them. Okay. Here we go. Now we are ready to smash this. Just like this. You want to make it seems like apa ya namanya ya? We chop, we smash into smaller. Okay. It's really fun. You should try, yeah? You should try to do it by yourself. You will learn about the texture. More. Do it manually using our hands, yeah? I don't want you using a blender. Okay? This is very fun activity. Okay, I think it's enough. And let's put back in the bowl. Oh, look at this. Okay. Now peel the banana. And cut, become 3. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 3 pieces of banana. Okay. Now we need the ice cream sticks. Do it very slow. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Okay ya. After we stick the ice cream stick onto the banana, let's coat the banana with this plain yogurt. Just do like this. Okay. Or you can use a spoon. And after all the banana coated with this plain yogurt, let's dip into this cereal. Wow, just like this, everybody. Okay ya. 1. Wow, it looks yummy. Another banana. If you want change the plain yogurt with flavor yogurt, it doesn't matter. But I suggest you to use the plain yogurt, because if you use the flavor, it's gonna be too sweet, in my opinion, yeah. Okay, done. Dip, dip, dip on this cereal. Wow, look at this. Looks so yummy. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! This is our frozen yogurt banana. Can we eat this right now? No. We call this frozen. That's why we have to put in the fridge for about 1 hour. Ya, taruh di kulkas dulu di freezer. Okay, put in the fridge about 1 hour. After that, you can enjoy this frozen yogurt together with your mom, your dad, or your brother or sister. Okay, everybody, enjoy this cooking project, and I can't wait to see your photos and videos about this frozen yogurt banana. Thank you everybody for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.